Together, these components contribute to the overall functionality and performance of electronic devices. This automation not only speeds up the assembly process, but also increases precision. The machines are programmed to optimize this placement, minimizing signal interference and heat-related issues that can affect device performance. Soldering is a key step in circuit board assembly that involves joining components to a board. Depending on the type of board and components involved, techniques such as wave soldering and reflow soldering are used. These methods ensure strong and reliable connections, which are vital for the long-term durability of electronic devices. Rigorous testing and inspections are performed to ensure that each board meets the strict standards required for performance and reliability. This attention to detail is what makes today's electronics more reliable than ever. Through this fascinating process, circuit boards come to life, enabling the sophisticated functioning of modern technology. From smartphones to appliances, the magic starts right here on the assembly line.